Hey everybody, we're checking out this sink caddy sponge holder made by Trusthere. This one you can find on Amazon. I'll link it below. You can find it in a matte black and a stainless steel. This one we're looking at a stainless steel, so I'll unbox it here, show you how to assemble it, and then I'll show you it in the kitchen, and we'll see how well it works. Alright, so this came actually pretty much assembled already by itself. As you can see there, we have our divider right here, and make sure you insert those on top of one of the wires there, and then it stays in place better. So there's your little rack underneath. If yours isn't already installed, then this just slides right in. Here inside we have a rubber stopper for the drain right there. Underneath this you're going to see we have a swivel, and that's going to be your little drainage. So whichever way you want this facing for drainage in your sink, that's where you're going to put it. So assembly for this is super easy. Yeah, I'm going to make it go that way for now. And you can see that water will drain perfectly over into there. So let's go take a look at this in the kitchen. So here we are, just setting it beside my sink. It'll fit a little bit differently depending on your sink, so you may need to change that direction of the swivel there, as you can see I'm doing. You can adjust that divider part depending on what you're wanting to put into it. Maybe you want a little bit larger space for soap, as you can see that I'm doing there. And then I've got my sponge there on the right. It fits a bottle of Dawn dish soap as well, so it has a lot of space. Here you can see we're going to test the draining. I'm just pouring some water into it, and it's draining out really nicely there. It's a really handy feature to have. So if you're looking for a sponge soap caddy to go beside your sink, this one's a really good one. I like the drainage feature. I like that it's spacious. It can fit bottles of soap, and I like the little divider there as well. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time on Brand Sloan Artist.